I'm Mark Curtis. We want to start with the debate over abortion on the eve of an important court hearing which could rule on which abortion law is in effect for our state.
But ahead of tomorrow's Pima County court battle, U.S. Secretary of Health and Services Xavier Becerra visited Phoenix Planned Parenthood today and talked with abortion providers.
Team 12's Michael Dowdna joins us with details on what happened during that meeting.
Yeah, guys, the secretary comes to town in a moment of chaos and confusion when it comes to abortion rights here in the state of Arizona. Now, Becerra visited Phoenix Planned Parenthood and talked with them about what the situation looks like in Arizona after the overturning of Roe v. Wade. Becerra admits there are limits to what the federal government can do. And part of the issue in Arizona is there are differing laws on the books. First, there's this 15-week abortion ban that was passed earlier this year and signed by Governor Ducey. Second, there's a territorial-era law that would ban abortions in all cases except to save the life of the mother. At the center of this court case is which one will go into effect. Now, Planned Parenthood argues that the two laws need to be harmonized and abortion should be legal potentially up to that 15-week mark, while opponents say the two laws overlap and the original law should be what's in effect.
We know that it is extremely out of step with what the vast majority of Arizonans want, and it's really a cruel law, and we shouldn't be having our lives and our reproductive destinies dictated by a ban from 150 years ago.
It's clearly the intent of Arizona to restrict abortion as much as possible. And the only reason why you have any of these halfway measures is because of Roe v. Wade. Now that Roe's out of the way, then the law that they originally intended and that has been upheld by the Court of Appeals will go back into effect.
Now, the court hearing is scheduled for tomorrow in Tucson in Pima County Superior Court. We're in Phoenix. Michael Dowdna, 12 News.